Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on State Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on SBI with a price target of Rs 975. SBI reported steady performance on most parameters in Q2. We believe that bank is likely to sustain ROE of 16 to 28% in the near to medium term. Valuation are cheap as compared to ROE trajectory and growth. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1.2 times FY25 and 1.1 times FY26 core book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next, we cover Lupin Ltd. The second quarter of FY25 reflects continued strength in the company's business across regions, with 40% of US revenues now coming from complex generics, India returning to double-digit growth, and the pipeline consistently delivering. The company aims to continue improving its performance through sustained operating efficiencies and investment in technology. As a result, we see upside potential in the stock with a price target of Rs 2400. At the current market price, the stock trades at 26 times FY26 and 22 times FY27 price to equity ratio.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.